Hi YouTube, I'm here to show you how to replace your bail spring on your Daiwa Regal, or for any reel for that matter. All you need is a Q-tip, two different sizes of screwdrivers, and a new bail spring. I've already unscrewed it a little bit, so I'm going to take it off. So at the side here you see the problem. My bail spring has broken. So first unscrew this side of the bails. And take out this piece. You have to rotate it to get it out. Take out your bail spring, broken. Get your new bail spring. Put the long end into the hole, face up. Then put this back in, facing this way, long end in, and turn, facing up. Now the hard part. Get your bail spring and line it up with the hole. I know you can barely see it, but there's a hole there. And put it in the hole. Okay, so when you got a spring in to the hole, push it down towards the bottom of the reel so the spring is loaded, and hold it down. Get your screw while you're holding it and put it back in. I suggest using your hand to just put it in a bit before you get your screwdriver and screw it in. Voila. Now clean any residue or gunk over the years off of the reel and place your cover back on. And that's it.